This is how I just made $38,000. On this single trade, I made $10,000. ABBC coin. I shared this trade in the private list yesterday on May 29. We bought this coin for 10 cents and we put a sell order up here. Daily resistance 20 cents. 100% easy money. Linear finance. I shared this trade in the private list on May 26. We bought this coin for 0.01 and you put a sell order up here 0.025, 135% profit. That's how you make profit. If I just made $38,000, you can make the same profits I do. Let me show the trades I share in the private list. It's Everscale, Elastic Network, Dione Protocol, Linear Finance, ABBC coin, $38,000 in my pocket. Easy, you can make $1,300 a day. Yes, guys, this is totally legal. It's not illegal here. I share all my trades in the private list because more people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. So I developed this software to track the crypto market. My software is alert me whenever a coin is running on high volume plus buyer power. You know, buyers must control the market. So if buyers win the market, the price uptrend. So I share all my trades in the private list. All you gotta do is to copy my trades. I will provide you the coin, the exchange, and how much you should buy and how much you put a sell order. It's easy money. Copy trades is the way to go. Also, we can trade for you. We can give you 25% a week return of investments. We use a swing trading strategy. Also, I will let you know and teach you when should you buy and sell the Bitcoin and the main cryptos. Guys, the main crypto use a swing trade strategy, okay? And the trades I share in the private list, we do a day trade strategy. That means volume spike plus buyer power. I share my trades in the private list. Everybody makes money. That's what we're looking for. Make $1,300 a day. Make $13,000 a week. That's how you make money. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Feel free to reach me out. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. I'll be glad to talk with you. You can call me if you like. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day.